So Spirit is saying it may take some time for this person to come in, because they do want you to, finish healing. They want you to heal your heart and be in a better space before this person comes in. Now, for others of you, the person that you may have been dealing with that did hurt you, I do feel like they're going to come back in, and they're wanting to give you new love, or give you that offer of new love. They definitely want you to give the relationship another chance. They want you to, just give another chance, because at the end of the day, it's like whatever they were going through with the ex, or whatever situation they put themselves in, I feel like this person has changed. But Spirit is saying it still may take a little bit of time, because they're still trying to finish playing out their karma, finish learning their lessons. So it's like they're understanding who you are, what you mean to them, but at the same time, it's still going to take a little bit of time, because I'm telling you, they're trying to get out of, certain situations, or get out of, like, behaviors, patterns, the whole nine. All right. I'm telling y'all. Let's just see how this plays out, okay? Because Pisces, y'all, I'm telling y'all, it took me over an hour. I was like, this is crazy. It was a lot. Okay. Spirit, general reading for my Pisces, please. Bottom of the deck, I have the Six of Wands reversed. So this is basically telling me that somebody feels like they're not going to have a victory. There was a decision that was made, okay? All right, somebody's trying to put in the hard work. Okay, see what I'm saying? I feel like already this is the past person. The past person feels like they're not going to have a victory with you because they messed up so bad. But they did make a decision to come back towards you, and when they do, they are going to put in the work to win you back, because they don't want you to cut them off. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But see, either there's going to be a breakup, or this person is feeling like you don't want them. Yeah, you don't want them. And this is why it's like they're scared to move forward with you right now. Because it's like they're in their head, they're thinking. I'm going to be honest, y'all, while I was talking, I kind of paused for a second because I'm picking up something else. That's why I told y'all, like, what I picked up on Friday, I saw it from 3 different angles, and it was so many different situations, because it's a lot of y'all, but Lord, it's gonna be like Friday. Okay, y'all, I'm trying to tell y'all, because it was really a lot. Okay. I feel like somebody, okay, Pisces, this could be you thinking about your love interest, right? Your love interest is feeling stuck in a situation. And it's like they're working really hard to try to get out of it, because they don't want you to cut them off. But at the end of the day, they haven't cut this person completely off yet. But there will be a breakup. But until that takes place, this person isn't moving forward with you. You know, even at the bottom of the deck, I see the World. I'm telling you, they're planning a new opportunity with you. They're wanting that. But until they get out of the situation, it's not going to happen. So you see what I'm saying? Y'all, I'm picking up so many different things, and I'm hoping Spirit can just narrow it down to one, because it's a lot. I picked up a lot for y'all. See, the seeds that were planted, somebody wants them to grow. Somebody definitely wants them to grow. But this person was being sneaky. And so, yeah. See what I'm saying? It's a lot. Pisces, not today. Okay, so, y'all, alright. Oh, I'm telling y'all, y'all, I'm gonna just try to just read it. I'm not trying to confuse y'all, because it's a lot. I'm just gonna read it from one main direction. Y'all take it however it fits, because I'm sorry, it's a lot. And it can go so many different ways depending on your scenario. But basically, there was somebody here that was being sneaky, and somebody had to free themselves. I see someone being single, you know, because this person was just being very sneaky, very manipulative. But somebody feels stuck trying to make a decision right now, but they're coming out of being frustrated about it. Okay. because they do want things to improve. But you see, I see 2 4s here. That's family. So there could be like some type of family situation going on, a home situation. Yeah, let's see. Maybe that could be somebody worrying about their finances. They're wanting their finances to improve. You know, maybe somebody in the home was being sneaky. Yeah, this is why they're moving slow. Tell me more. Yeah, see what I'm saying? There's a third party. There's still a third party. This is why they're moving slow, because they don't know what to do. Maybe somebody had a lot of options, like different people they were entertaining, or it's kind of like they're trying to pick the best option to go. But yeah, it's somebody's stuck. That's all I'm gonna just say. So it's like maybe they want to come back towards you, Pisces, but they feel like things may not work in their favor because they didn't bring stability into the situation. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries here, but this is why they're afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning with you, and they're afraid that you don't want wish fulfillment with them. They're afraid that, yeah, they're not going to have their family. See what I'm saying? There was no security. They're afraid that if they come back to give you this offer, you're not going to take it because they hurt you. They definitely hurt you. They feel like you're not going to talk. You're not going to open up to them. And I'm picking up fear. So some of you guys could be dealing with a water sign, another Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. But see what I'm saying? Look, this person stabbed you in the back. You felt betrayed by this person. Because see, there was another woman here. I have 2 women, but again, y'all know my court cards, it could be 2 men, but there were definitely 2 people. There was a third party situation going on. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But see, somebody felt stuck in a codependent situation. Because there was somebody that either Pisces is you, or however this plays out, somebody was in a situation where either they were giving to someone financially or someone was giving to them. You know, and it's like they felt stuck because it's like they needed them. What's so funny with me seeing this, while I kept doing this, Pisces, I don't know if you guys are dealing with a Virgo, and that's why I'm kind of laughing on the inside, because it's like, I kept hearing Virgo, and I'm like, well, I just did Virgo's reading, so, you know, I'm just trying to dismiss it, but then the card came out, so it's like, Spirit's like, no, we're telling you Virgo, because there's a Pisces out here dealing with a Virgo, or there's a Virgo somewhere in this situation, but regardless, somebody's isolating themselves right now. Let's see. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. But I do feel like even though someone is isolating themselves, they're doing that because they're trying to remove themselves from a toxic situation that they put themselves in. That's what I'm seeing. Yep. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but this person is sad because it's like they messed up. They do want a new beginning with you. But see, every time they want to tell you this, they're not saying anything at all. But there is going to be an offer that's coming in. Yeah, look at that. Offer of happiness. Somebody, I'm telling you, you make someone extremely happy. Someone wants something real with you. But they're afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning because they messed up too many times. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Scorpio. Yep, this person is trying to make a decision on how to go about doing this. So I do feel like this person is going to rush in because they do want to balance things out with you. Could be dealing with the Sagittarius. Let's see. Yeah, there's communication coming in, Pisces. Look at that. Wow, yes. Okay, there's communication coming in that somebody's going to give you a stable offer. Could be an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Let's see. Yeah, but they're taking their time. This person isn't confused anymore. Remember I told you there were 2 people. You, this individual, and somebody else. Could be more. But at the end of the day, they were confused. They didn't know which way they want to go, who they want to be with. Now this person isn't confused anymore. They know, but it's just like they're taking their time to come. Pisces, you could be dealing with another Pisces, but I'm telling you the truth. This person is going to give you the truth. And I feel like they're afraid that it's going to cause some type of conflict between the 2 of you. Or if it's not even with you, the person that they were dealing with, it's going to cause conflict between the 2 of them because I feel arguing. Like, it's just, This person is upset because they're getting ready to leave this individual for you. And that's the truth that's coming out. Because I'm telling you, whoever this other person is, they're only dealing with them for finances. And I'm seeing it here with the Ten of Pentacles. Like, your person wants to be with you, but there's somebody that's holding on so tight, it's not even funny. So, you could be dealing with a Leo, but this person, I'm telling you, they're trying to have the strength to come back towards you. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Libra. I'm just feeling like I saw this for Virgo. It's like your justice was served. It's being served. Let me see something. Clarify justice, Spirit. They know that you want the truth, and see, they're going to come back and apologize to you. They're just not confident with themselves right now, so Spirit is saying they're keeping an eye on you. Yeah, they're watching you. And the situation that has been playing out with this person, that could have been from their past, or just things that they were doing in the past, they know that they can't do this with you if they want to move forward. And this is why I see them trying to clear away obstacles. Even though they're frustrated, they're trying to clean it up on their end. I'm not even going to take that. That was a balance. That was interesting. Anyway, they're coming out of being frustrated about the situation. And they will walk away. They're going to walk away. But they're afraid you're going to walk away from them because they did leave you out in the cold in the past. And they're hoping that you can forgive them. Because they are coming back to balance things out. It's like Pisces, they choose you. They did remove themselves from a third party. Or they're going to if they haven't already. But they're just afraid things aren't going to improve. And this is why they're trying to weigh up their option on how to go about doing this. Because they're afraid that if they don't come to you correctly, it's over. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius, but they look at you as somebody that's very positive, and they want you in their life. And I do feel like this person is using their intuition because they're coming out of moving slow. They're coming out of being frustrated. And see, this person is going to give you an offer, the offer that you deserve, the offer that you should have got from jump. Yeah, see, they want to balance things out. But honestly, they feel like they lost you because there was somebody else here. I don't know if some of you guys are dealing with someone else that has been giving to someone, this individual that they were dealing with on a financial level, because maybe they're trying to balance things out on that end so they can get away from them. Then they can come towards you. But whatever it is, this person is trying to manifest something new. They're trying to stay positive. Look at this. I'm telling y'all, this person loves you. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Gemini. But see, the way the tower just came out, this person is avoiding this tower. They're avoiding it. This person is like ducking and dodging. This is what I'm telling you. They know what they want to do, but they're not really doing anything, you know? And so, let me see. Tell me more. They're avoiding a tower moment. See? Back and forth. Like, this person is so frustrated because they feel like they're stuck. But I'm going to be honest with you. Looking at that, they're not really stuck. They know how to get out of the situation. They're not making a move. This person could be younger than you for some of you guys. But if not, I do feel like they want to give you an offer, but they're afraid that things may not improve because you're going to cut them off. That's what they're thinking. You're going to cut them off. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign.